Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech to Go. In this video we will set up a web browser which has built-in VPN protection in it and also AdBlocker. So normally we have to buy premium VPN services, or the free ones have many ads in it, right, which is very annoying. But with this web browser the VPN is pretty good, and as it's inbuilt, it is quite easy to use. Okay, so at first we need to go to Play Store and search for Opera Mini. So you will get the browser here, as you can see. So we will see if it has the VPN or not. Okay, I see this one does not have the VPN feature. If you go down a little bit, you can find another one here. So this is from the same vendor, Opera. Okay, so they have a different version of the browser. So this one comes with AI and VPN. Okay, so we will just install it and automatically open after install. So let's wait for the installation. This Opera Mini browser is very old and trustworthy and very easy to use. Okay, compared to other browsers like Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Okay, our new browser has been installed, so we will open it. And so I don't want to set it as default, so I will skip this, and you can enable notifications. Okay, alright, so Opera Mini has been successfully installed. As you can see, if you click on this profile icon here, you will have the option for VPN. But before enabling VPN, let me show you my current IP address, which I can check from this website, whoare.net. So here you can see my current IP address, and if I turn on VPN, as you can see, it says VPN is on. Now if I just refresh it, okay, so it's now showing Singapore, which is the closest one from my location. So it works pretty fast, and with the VPN you can access websites that are not accessible from your location. So it is pretty handy and works well. So you can also enable AdBlocker here. As you can see, my AdBlocker is on, and they also have data saver option and other settings which you might try. They also have browser AI like ChatGPT. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this.